guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you today how to recreate this makeup look. So it's a sort of smoky eye glamorous makeup tutorial using my Zoeva Naturally Yours palette. That's this one here, which is one of my lovely favourite Zoeva palettes. They're just wonderful and lovely colours to work with. So as you'd guess, they're kind of natural colours. So natural tones, browns and things like that. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you to anybody that has subscribed already. It is very kind of you and I just want to say thank you. So let's start watching the video. If you haven't noticed by my voice, I don't know if it's that noticeable, but I'm not feeling that great, so yeah. Everyone's a bit ill at the moment and I'm one of these people, so at least you won't catch it from me on the screen, so that's always a bonus. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking now. I hope that you like my video, let me know what you think and let's begin. As you can see, I have already done my brows and my foundation, and for this tutorial I'm going to be using my Zoeva Naturally Yours eyeshadow palette. I really find these so pigmented and the colour range is just gorgeous. First up, I'm going to start with Sweet Sound. That's this one here. I'm going to apply this just over my lid, keeping it fairly close to the lash line to begin with, and then just blending it upwards. If you raise your eyebrow, it helps to be able to stop it sort of creasing a bit. I'm going to blend that slightly with my Morphe E13 brush, just to make sure there's no harsh lines or anything like that. Now I'm going to take my favourite crease blending brush, which is from H&M, and I'm going to be using the shade Slow Dance, which is this lovely rich brown tone there, and with this colour you are going to apply it to the lid, and not as far out as you did with the last colour, but literally just on the lid. What I'm trying to achieve with this look is a gradual fade out with the colour. Next up I'm going to be taking Timeless Chic, which is essentially just black, and I'm using my MAC pencil brush. And you really do want to pack this colour on, but you want to be careful not to get it too far away from the lash line, because we just want it to be like a pop. So like an explosion-ish sort of thing, as I said, with the darkest colour towards the lash. And make sure you're just blending that all the time, because you can never blend enough. So blend and return with the product. Taking a clean blending brush, I am just making sure that it's not over heavy with dark, and so I'm just going on the outer edge of that and just blending it through. To give a bit of relief to those heavy colours, I'm just going to suggest that you go in with a really creamy shade. So what I'm going to say is use First Love, which is the lightest shade in the palette. Just apply that under your brow. So I'm going to do my lower lash line, and I'm using the colour Slow Dance. And I'm just applying that all the way from corner to corner. So I just want that to be really blended, so I'm just going to blend it with my crease blending brush. For a little bit of extra definition, I think I'm going to go in with Timeless Chic, so that's the black colour, and I'm using my more precise Morphe E13 brush, and I'm literally just going to apply that to the centre, maybe 3/4 of the way along, but not to the inner corner. And once again, just blend that out. I want to do a bit of concealer under my eyes, so I'm going in with my Flawless Barrier Light Reflecting Concealer. This one is really nice to use under your eyes because it's nice and bright. I feel like this makeup look really needs some eyeliner on the waterline, so I've got eyeliner on my chin. So I'm going to go in with my Bourjois liner. This one's a really nice liner because you don't have to work with it too much to get the product out, which is great. So going all the way along with the liner, I'm just going to make this really dramatic and lovely. If you guys want to, you can do a wing as well, so winged liquid liner, but I think I'm just going to keep it with this for now. So I'm going to move on to my lashes, and I'm using my Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Volume Mascara. And you're going to do your lower lashes as well. The next part I am very excited about because I just bought this, which is the Nip and Fab Contour Palette. I haven't tried this at all yet, I've literally just unpackaged it. So I'm really so excited to see what it's going to be like. I think I'm going to use Aspen first because it's kind of a middle ground colour. And then with what is left on the brush, I'm going to go onto my temple and around my hairline and under my chin. I think for this look I'm going to use my Primark lashes, which I think were just something like £1. Now I want to move on to my highlight, which is something that I've recently gotten really into. I love highlighters so much. I don't know how I ever didn't use it. For this makeup look, I think I'm going to be using my Sleek highlighting palette, which is so lovely, and my friend got it for me for Christmas. It's got some really nice tones in there. I'm going to use this one in the bottom corner here, and instead of a fan brush, which I usually use, I'm just going to use this which is kind of like a blending brush, to apply that to my cheekbones, the tops of them. I really like this highlighter. Thank you, my lovely Melissa friend. I'm also going to put a bit of this on the tip of my nose and on my Cupid's bow. Last thing that I'm going to do is my lips, and I think I'm going to use a sort of rosy pink nude-ish colour. This one is from Maybelline and it is in Smoky Rose. It is an absolutely lovely colour, and I actually accidentally bought it twice. That's how much I liked it, because I didn't even realise that it was the same one, and then I got it and I've just got two. . 2 . I might just do a little bit of highlight on the inner corner of my eye as well. So there we have it, that is my complete makeup look. I really hope that you like this and that you might want to recreate it yourselves. If you have any questions about it, please do not hesitate to post them down below and I will try and help you out. Thank you so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I hope that I will see you in my next video. Please do let me know if you've got any ideas for things that you'd like to see, because I'd love to hear from you. If you've got something that you really would like me to do, like a tutorial or a chatty video, whatever, I'd be happy to hear from you. I will say goodbye now and thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!